Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to set up the TP-Link extender using just your mobile phone. If you're struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals in certain areas of your home, this device will be a game changer. Let's dive right in. First things first, unbox the TP-Link extender tl-wa850re. In the box you'll find the extender, a quick installation guide and a power adapter. Now plug in the extender into a power outlet near your router. You'll see the power LED light up. Wait until it turns solid. Next, grab your mobile phone and go to your Wi-Fi settings. Now look for the TP-Link extender's network, which will be like something like TP-Link extender, and connect to it. Once connected, open your web browser and type in tplinkrepeater.net. This will take you to the TP-Link extender's web interface. Log in using the default credentials. Both the username and password are admin. After logging in, you'll be greeted with a quick setup page. Click on Next to begin. The extender will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your main Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. Review the settings to ensure everything is correct, then click on Finish. Once the extender has rebooted, you can unplug it and relocate it to a spot halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. Make sure the location still receives a good signal from your router. And that's it. Your TP-Link extender is now set up and ready to extend your Wi-Fi coverage. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.